This 7 minus 7 becomes 0 times of 6 divides 7. And we have 0 times 6 becomes 0 divides 7. And you see that 0 divides 7 is equals to 0. But this is the wrong answer, or this is the complete wrong procedure to solve this type of questions. So here we just use the nice PEMDAS rule to solve this type of questions. I hope so you already know about the PEMDAS rule. So according to this rule, first we have parentheses, then we have exponent, and in the next we have multiplication or division, and at the last we have addition or subtraction. Okay, so you just remember this order of operation from left side to right side. Okay, so now we focus on the given question statement, and you see that here first we copy down the question statement here. 7 minus 7 times 6 over 7. Okay, this is the given question statement. So you see that here we have two operations, negative and multiplication. So according to this rule, we first gives the first priority to multiplication. It means that we need to solve first these two terms. So we have 7 minus 7 times 6 becomes 42, and it divided by 7. So here we subtract these two values, and 7 minus 42 is equals to 35, and minus 35 over 7, because when we subtract these two values we get minus 35. Then we need to cancel these two terms with the table of 7, and we get 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. So here we get minus 5. And this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.